Hi so yeah, welcome back to Tech. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can convert your image from WebP to JPG using Paint on Windows. Now the first thing is to right click on your image, and then you'd want to click on open with and then click on Paint. Alright, so Paint is a built-in mini photo editor on Windows. It allows you to do a couple of photo manipulation to your images. But for the sake of this tutorial, we're just going to be using it for file conversion, so which is from WebP to JPG or PNG. Now we just go ahead to do that by clicking on File on the top left corner of the screen, and then from the drop down click on Save As, this one, and then select the file type that you want to save the image newly on. So just go ahead with PNG. You can see Save As type, so just go ahead and select your folder and click on Save. So that way our image has been saved as PNG on the selected folder. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.